Okay, I kind of tricked you. If you don't want to watch the clouds over the lake or the campfire, go to 3:30 for the meal.
Alright, we're going to call that it. Time for a campfire. Alright, I stayed talking to people. Caught the end of it. Now we'll go do that campfire. Okay, it's getting cold, but it's campfire time. As you can see, I ate my fruits. Those little Smarties. Well, we'll just let the fire starters do the work. The first campfire of the new season. Yay! No, I remember doing one right after January 1st when I was out in the freezing cold. It was 10 below and I did a campfire. So we'll call this my first spring one. Just a small one. There is a London broil. It's still good. It's been in my freezer a little bit, but I don't think it's freezer burn. We're going to let it thaw. We're going to doctor it up. Alright, we're going to put this cowboy rub on it. Alright, you probably can't see much of it, but there's a bunch of cowboy rub on there. And sriracha time. Trust me, it's sriracha. See? The rooster. Alright, there, rubbing it in. And we're going to let it marinate in that for a couple hours. Alright. We're cooking again. Gonna make another potato foil pack. Washed these, dried them, cleaned them. Gonna put some Southwest Chipotle Ms. Okay. Gonna put some paprika. We'll be adding more of both. Go back to time lapse. Potato's got a lot of bad to it. More bad than good. Gotta check your potatoes. My goodness. Alright, that part's good. That part's good. Rest of that's garbage. Alright. Now we'll do more paprika. Hit it with Mrs. Dash again. Alright, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil over it. Okay. We'll try to wrap this up without making a mess. Okay. Let's throw these away. We'll keep going. Okay. So we're going to add these to the potatoes about the time that the London broil goes on. Not going to chop them down too far. Just wipe them down. I don't want to overcook them and have them in the whole time with the potatoes. So we got red, orange, and yellow. And then we have a tiny little onion here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to throw the onion in towards the end. It'll be very oniony potatoes. When that's ready, they just get chopped in there, chunked in with them. Alright? Alright. Yay. Alright, the foil back goes on. The grill gets lit. Let it cook. Grill is hot. Potatoes are coming along. And goes the oversized London broil. We'll keep an eye on it. Probably 3 or 4 minutes each side. Alright. We're going to do 4 minutes on each side. And then, like I said, we'll do, when you do a London broil, I like to do off the heat. So I'll turn the grill off and do like 3 minutes each side. Put the grill off, just holding in the heat that's in the grill still. Here goes my timer. Oh, good lines, good lines. Alright, well that's, I just flipped it. So we're going to open these up real quick, throw the potatoes around, and put these in. Try to seal it back up a little bit. Alright. Within time. And now we'll do 3 minutes with the grill off. Okay. Flip it again. Mix these. And another 3 minutes. All right. Take that off. We'll go inside the RV to rest. Alright, I'm going to go in and get the steak because it's rested. So what we're going to do, because I'm trying not to dirty another plate, is I'm going to get some of these potatoes, onions, and peppers on the plate. This London broil is big enough for 3 servings. So I'm going to cut it down. Put that on there so I don't have to dirty another plate. Put that on my plate. I'm going to take it in and eat it. Alright,
going to do a flyover before I taste it. Tiny bit past where I want it, but it's still pink. See, there's pink in there. And that, look at that crust. And the onions, potatoes, and peppers. See there? That's not bad at all. And I think it turned out pretty well. Try potato. Oh yeah, that's good. Try the London here. It's been too long. I tell you, I'm not great at many things, but I know how to cook a London broil. It's pretty darn good. I'm not perfect at many things, but that's a good looking London broil, isn't it? Still pink, with a nice crust on it. Look at one of these peppers here. Now I get asked a lot, why do you buy London broils, blah blah, you should buy a better cut of steak. Here's what I say. I think this one was about $4, and it was like 1.5 pounds. So it's like $3 a pound or something like that. And if you do it right, London broil can come out awesome. If you cook it bad, it's going to taste like shoe leather. It's not going to be good. But I think for the price point, as opposed to my more favorite New York strip, because I like lean, if you do this well, if you marinate it, if you make sure to follow all the procedures and not overcook it, a London broil can really taste great. And at that price, it is awesome. I have a couple more on this trip that I may or may not film. We'll see. I do love a London broil. Look at that crust. Have a great and wonderful day.